Hi. Yesterday I had a big meeting with the Soca. Yes. With the Soca starts his big travel. And after this meeting I had a long walk back to the lodge to sleep. And by the way, I had a walk along a river without water, only stones. Not so nice. Perhaps result of the dry summertime. I don't know it exactly. But today I'm back. I'm back on the river. And perhaps after 1 kilometer of this journey, the big river, I have a stream of water, clear water in a beautiful valley. Yes, it's a nice place and we will follow it. Bye.